Today we are going to make a sweet dish, rasgulla. Many have been visiting to sweet shops, but in this lockdown you must be missing rasgullas. So I will make today rasgullas and you can also learn from this. For that we need 2 liters of milk. From this we'll make almost 10 rasgullas. 2 liters of milk, 8 cups of water and 4 cups of sugar and 2 lemons juice. We'll keep the milk for boiling and keep it mixing it because then it will settle up. We don't have to allow that. Till that time we'll take out the lemon juice from the lime. Don't allow it to settle up. You have to keep it mixing it. For this you have to use full fat milk or else your rasgullas will be hard. For making it more soft and spongy, you have to use full fat milk. As you can see, our milk has boiled without anything on upper side. You have to then switch off the flame and let it cool for 1 minute, but you don't have to leave stirring. You have to stir it till 1 minute and take it out from the gas. After stirring continuously for 1 minute, now let's take the lemon juice. We'll dilute it by putting some water, almost very little water, not too much, and then we'll mix it. Now you can see I've diluted the lime juice. We'll put 1 spoon of it only, then we'll mix it very slowly. Don't have to do very fast because then your rasgullas will be very hard. You can see I'm doing with very soft hand. I'll be now putting the second spoon also, third spoon. Now I'll again start mixing it. This process we are tearing the milk. That's curdling the milk. Like we tell in Hindi, doodh faad rahe hain. We'll do the curdling till it curdles. As you can see, milk has started curdling. In the meantime, we'll boil the water. I've kept in a thick bottom pan in high flame to boil. To that, we will put the sugar also. It is almost 600 to 800 grams of sugar. Now we will just mix it nicely. It should become a sugary syrup because rasgullas after making we have to keep it in this. If you like more sweet, you can add more sugar. As you can see, the milk has curdled very nicely. Now we'll strain it through a fine cloth. The curdled milk is left to strain. After straining it, we have to hang it somewhere for some time to let the milk drip off completely and for 30 minutes. Now we have taken out the thing which we had left to drip off the water. Now we'll take it out. Then we have to knead it very softly, but we'll first take it out. Now we have to knead this with gentle hand for 2 minutes with the palm like this. As you can see, this is also known as in Hindi paneer. We have been kneading for last 2 minutes. Now we'll put almost 1 teaspoon of corn flour, or maida also you can use, but I prefer corn flour. That also we'll need it with palm. You can see how I'm kneading it. You have to let in the air go inside to make your rasgullas fluffy, spongy. Till we knead the dough, till that time we'll heat up the dissolved sugar syrup. As you can see, sugar has dissolved completely, no lumps. It should be like this only consistency, and you should take a wide vessel for it, because when you put the rasgulla balls, you need to give them space for moving, and when they become larger there should be space in the vessel. That's why I've taken a big container. Now we'll make the balls of rasgulla. As you can see, I've took this should be size, because it will then swell up in the sugar syrup. You can see we can make the balls. After the sugar syrup is boiled, now you can see our balls are ready. We'll drop it gently one by one. One by one we have to put it. You have to be careful, the water may splash. Remember, in boiling water only you have to put this in. You can see almost 10 to 12 rasgullas. Now for 5 minutes you have to just leave it like that. As you can see, the size is swelling up. Now it is almost 5 to 6 minutes. Now we'll cover it for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame, medium flame. As you can see, our soft and spongy rasgullas are ready to eat. But if you want it to be tastier, you can put some saffron and cardamom for the flavored one. If you like the normal one, leave it for 4 to 5 hours to cool down. Then you will get a very sweet rasgullas. Or else you can have it now also, but you will not get that much. But never do that. I was joking. Never eat it when it's hot. Let it cool down for 4 to 5 hours. You can make it at night and eat in morning, and you can then store also. It's a very quick recipe. Try it at home with Cook with Appu. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.